If you're looking for a two-person inflatable kayak that balances performance, durability, and portability, this is the Razor Kayaks Edge Pro 2. I've been taking this kayak out in ocean swells and windy lake conditions to see how it performs, and it quickly proved it's built for more than just lazy afternoon paddles. Let's start with the setup.
So you make sure it's rolling. Hi!
The first time we set up this kayak took us around 15 minutes, mostly because we're learning the system and adjusting the seats and straps. But by the third time we set it up, we had it down to about 7 minutes, which is pretty efficient for a two-person touring kayak. The kayak's made up of 3 air chambers, one for the floor and one for each side. I used the Razor Kayaks rechargeable electric pump, which made things super easy for the setup. Set the PSI, press a button, and let it do the work. The seats attach using 2 Velcro strips and 4 adjustable clips. My partner's taller than me, so he attached his seat further back on the Velcro to give him a bit more legroom. There are plenty of webbing loops along the cockpit, making it easy to clip the footrests exactly where you want them. Just before launching, the tracking fin slides into place, and we're ready to go. When we lifted the kayak using the carry handles on each end, there was a little bit of flex, and I'll admit, I wondered if that would affect performance. But as soon as we got on the water, those doubts completely disappeared. The Edge Pro 2 felt stable, smooth, and efficient. It glided well, it tracked cleanly, and responded really nicely to our steering, even in strong crosswinds. The shape is nicely streamlined and cut through the ocean swells easily. Having that stability gave me the confidence to take the boat out into rougher conditions. The hull is impressively rigid for an inflatable and is made of 5cm tech stitch. It's built from dual-layer 1000D PVC, the same material they use in rescue boats, and it definitely shows. We accidentally paddled over some branches in the lake, and the kayak came out without a scratch. It has chemically welded seams and a reinforced bow and stern, which handled multiple launches and repeated use without any signs of wear or tear. Unlike a standard rock-hard plastic kayak, the high-density foam seats kept me comfortable all afternoon. The dual-layer backrest does give decent support, and I did like how easy it was to adjust with the strapping. I could pull it forward for a stronger paddling position, or lean it back while cruising or doing some filming. Bracing against the foam footrests helped me maintain a comfortable position throughout the afternoon. The coaming system is compatible with spray skirts, which means I'd happily paddle this kayak year-round, even in colder or wetter conditions. Despite its touring length of 489 centimeters, the Edge Pro 2 will pack down to fit into the boot of your car. After battling wind and swell, packing it away in about 3 minutes felt effortless. We fit the kayak, the 2 seats, 2 collapsed paddles, the electric pump, and even our life vests into the wheeled backpack. The whole package came in at roughly 85 by 55 by 45 centimeters, which fit comfortably into the back of my van. At roughly 20 kilos, it was easy for me to pull it out of the car, put it back in, and roll it around on my own. Overall, I'm really impressed with the Razor Kayaks Edge Pro 2. It sets a new benchmark for what a two-person inflatable kayak can be, and there is plenty of storage, great deck bungee options for overnight trips, and the balance of agility, stability, and comfort just makes it really versatile. It's tough enough for serious adventures, portable enough to live in the back of your van, and performs confidently when conditions get challenging. So if you're a recreational paddler like me, and you're looking for a reliable two-person kayak that can go on any adventure with you, the Edge Pro 2 is well worth a try.